Daily English Talks. Talking about school or office.
Hey, how was your day at school today? And did anything interesting happen during your classes?
It was actually quite busy because we had several assignments to finish, but I also enjoyed my science lesson a lot.
That sounds productive, and I'm glad you enjoyed at least one subject during such a busy day.
Yes, the teacher explained everything clearly, and it made the topic much easier to understand.
I wish all teachers could explain things that way because it really helps students stay interested.
Exactly. And when the class is engaging, I feel more motivated to participate and ask questions.
That reminds me of my office today, which was also quite hectic with back-to-back meetings.
Oh, really? What kind of meetings did you have throughout the day?
Most of them were about planning a new project, and we had to discuss deadlines and responsibilities.
That sounds stressful, especially when you have to coordinate with many different people.
Yes, it can be challenging, but it's also exciting to work on something new and important.
I feel the same way when I get a new group project at school, even though it can be difficult.
Do you usually enjoy working in groups, or do you prefer studying alone?
I prefer group work because we can share ideas, but sometimes it's hard when not everyone participates equally.
That's very similar to office teamwork, where some people contribute more than others.
I guess both school and office life have their own challenges when it comes to teamwork.
Definitely, and communication plays a very important role in both environments.
Yes, our teacher always tells us to communicate clearly so everyone understands their tasks.
My manager says the same thing, especially when we are working on tight deadlines.
Deadlines can be stressful, but they also help us stay organized and focused.
That's true, and without deadlines, I think many people would delay their work.
I agree, and I always try to finish my homework before the due date to avoid last-minute pressure.
That's a great habit, and it's something many adults still struggle with in the workplace.
Really? I thought adults were always more organized than students.
Not always, because sometimes work can pile up just like school assignments.
That makes me feel better because I thought I was the only one feeling overwhelmed sometimes.
You're definitely not alone, and everyone experiences busy and stressful days.
Thanks. That's reassuring, and I think learning how to manage time is very important.
Yes, time management is one of the most valuable skills both in school and in the office.
I've started using a planner to organize my schedule, and it really helps me stay on track.
That's a smart idea, and I also use a digital calendar to manage my meetings and tasks.
Technology really makes things easier, especially when you have many responsibilities.
Absolutely, and it helps us avoid forgetting important deadlines or appointments.
By the way, do you enjoy your job overall, even with all the busy days?
Yes, I do enjoy it because I get to learn new skills and work with interesting people.
That's great, and I hope I can find a job I enjoy as much in the future.
I'm sure you will, especially if you continue to work hard and stay curious.
Thank you, and I believe school is helping me prepare for that future.
It definitely is, because school teaches both knowledge and important life skills.
I never thought of it that way, but it makes a lot of sense, Mel.
Even simple things like teamwork and responsibility are lessons that last a lifetime.
That's true, and I'm starting to appreciate school more than before.
I'm glad to hear that, because having a positive attitude makes everything easier.
I'll try to stay positive, even when I have a lot of homework to do.
That's the spirit, and remember to take breaks so you don't feel too stressed.
I will, and maybe I can also reward myself after finishing my tasks.
That's a great idea, and it can keep you motivated to complete your work.
What do you usually do to relax after a long day at the office?
I like to watch TV or listen to music because it helps me unwind and clear my mind.
That sounds relaxing, and I usually read a book or chat with my friends.
Those are great ways to relax, and it's important to balance work and rest.
Yes, balance is key, whether it's school or office life.
Exactly. And taking care of your mental health is just as important as finishing your tasks.
I completely agree, and I'll try to remember that when things get overwhelming.
Good, and don't hesitate to ask for help when you need.
Thank you. I'll keep that in mind for both school and future work situations.
You're doing great, and I'm proud of how responsible you are becoming.
That means a lot to me, and I'll continue to do my best every day.
I'm sure you will, and your efforts will definitely pay off in the future.
Thanks, and I hope tomorrow will be another productive and enjoyable day for both of us.